human being in this world is equal. The Creator provides all the provisions, including the sun and rain, equally to all who are bad and good without hesitation. If we argue that the heart of the body is more valuable than every other organ, can the lack of service with both hands be compensated? If the service of workers who clean the streets and toilets is not performed, neither the politician nor the priest can either the doctor or the teacher bear that burden. At that time, they will feel value of the garbage collector more than just a professional. Let's all understand the importance of each person. Amir Indi Publishers 95220 ISBN the 21st of February 2026.